You're trying to enjoy the holidays, and somebody says something critical and so unnecessary. What do?
Well,
Emotional intelligence pioneer Brene Brown has 3 great tactics to ask yourself. First, do you know your top 5? These are 5 people in the entire world whose opinion you really care about.
Think about it. Dylan.
If they're not on the list, ignore them. Second, is the person just insufferable? Sometimes, believe it or not, acting a fool is the best someone can do.
If we're about to lose our cool, asking ourselves, do we believe this person is doing the very best that they can?
Third, has this person cheered you on during your victories or only criticized you from the sidelines? Not everyone is in your corner.
I'm looking for the person who loves me, not despite my vulnerability and imperfection, but because of it.
And if it's too toxic, give yourself permission to leave. Just don't forget the go plate.
I mean, I'm from around the way. I'm leaving with something.
And she's feeling insecure. The 5 people on this list are the 5 people she gives a out when it comes to their opinion.